Today we're going to be unboxing the SpeedFactory Street Savage Cam that they recently just came out with. We will be installing it, but not in this video. Today is basically just an unboxing, and it'll be more than just unboxing this. I also have a traction bar that we'll be unboxing and checking out as well. But yeah, this is how I got it. It had a shipping label on it, so this is exactly how I got it from the FedEx truck. So basically just going to use a utility knife and cut this open. We'll check it out inside and see how everything is. Well, lots of bubble wrap, that's a good sign. So at least it had a bunch of bubble wrap on it, because usually I get packages, not from SpeedFactory, but from other people, and it's not very well protected. So I'm going to cut this open real quick. But I really like the packaging for the cam. The little box is nice. Alright. As you can see, that is the SpeedFactory Street Savage Cam. There's also the little card in here that tells you all the specifications. Street/strip cam with excellent idle quality, faster spool, and increased mid-range and top-end power. And then it has the intake valve lash, the duration, and the exhaust valve lash, and has all the information you need. So, the paper that comes with it is very crucial before installing a cam, but if it comes with instructions, definitely should read it. So, this has all the information you're going to need to set the cam up properly. Now, on the D16Y8, you do have to adjust with the AEM cam gear. You have to put it on and adjust it. If it's in a Z6, it's pretty much just slap the Z6 cam gear on, set it at factory timing, and you're good to go. But to get the most out of any cam, you're going to want to degree the cam, which is probably what we'll be doing. But yeah, it has all the information right here on this piece of paper that comes with it. So if it doesn't come with a piece of paper, I'm pretty sure you could contact SpeedFactory directly and ask them for the information, but you don't have to worry about that because it comes with the paper, and it's in a sealed package. On both ends it's sealed, and it looks like they lubed it up a little bit so that way it doesn't rust or get anything like that on it. It's a really nice design. I can really tell that this is a huge cam lobe on the VTech side. Let me see if I can get that on camera for you. Center lobe right here, you can see how big that is compared to the lower lobes, and they're typically a little bit bigger on VTech cams anyways, but this one is like considerably bigger. I'd have to measure to see how much bigger, but definitely looks like a nice quality and construction. The packaging was really good, so I'm happy about that. And yeah, we're gonna get this installed real soon, so you gotta stay tuned to the channel if you want to see this. And we have to, before we get this installed, we have to install the Brian Crowder springs and retainers, because they recommend upgraded valve train, like springs and retainers. So we have some Brian Crowders we're going to throw in. That way everything will be good, we won't get valve float, and won't have issues. So it's definitely packaged well, and I'm really happy with it. This cam, I will have a link in the description from where I bought it. It's through SpeedFactory, but they sell it on eBay. You can go to their website and get it off there, I'm sure, as well. And after everything, it was $411. So $411, and it's worth every penny, I guarantee it. So once we get this in, we'll have dyno numbers, and we'll go through the retune and all of that good stuff. We'll be doing this install hopefully within the next video or two. So definitely stay tuned for that. Now we have this box right here, which is the traction bar, which we need for the track. especially. It eliminates wheel hop, and I will leave a link in the description for this as well. Also got it on eBay. We're going to see what all is in here. Well, came with a little baggie of hardware. Nice. And everything, well, this was wrapped a little bit better, but it had bubble wrap on it. And these right here will bolt to the lower control arms. And then we've got the actual bars with the spherical bearings in them. Everything looks good there. Pretty solid looking construction. And then in this one, we have the bar that goes all the way across, which bolts to where your factory tow hook area is. So this all looks really nice. And it wasn't very much. I think it was like $80, maybe $90. But these are adjustable, so you can adjust them out to the proper size that you need. They fit Integras, Del Sols, 92 to 95 Civics. And for the EF hatches, you have to special order the ones for the EF hatch. Definitely looks solid. So we will be installing this as well after the cam gets installed and all of that stuff. Because we're definitely going to need more traction, especially putting more power to it. So yeah, there will be links in the description for this, along with the Brian Crowder springs and retainers and the SpeedFactory race cam. But definitely stay tuned to the channel, guys, because MaxPeedingRods is allowing us to give 4 of these forged rods with ARP 2000 series bolts away in a contest giveaway coming up on the channel real soon. So definitely stay tuned, subscribe, turn the bell icon on so you get notified of when this contest is going on. And be sure to share it on social media and stuff like that. That way people can get a chance to win these things. So really like these rods. You do have to notch the block, but it's worth it because these rods are awesome. And I've proven it to have over 300 horsepower on these, and it held up perfectly fine. So definitely stay tuned if you want a chance to win these. But that is basically it for this video. If you guys liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you didn't see in a previous video, I put the upgraded supercharger pulley on, and we're now a little over 10 psi. So it's running really strong, and it's going to run a whole lot stronger once we install these. So definitely stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and stay tuned for more awesome content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.